Okay, now we will go on describing the use of LimeSurvey. I hope that you apologize me if my English is not so well, but I hope that you will understand as the program indeed is not so difficult to use. Now we have to see the question types. So if we go in our survey and we select add question, we can add another question to our survey. So for example, I can write question 2, Q2. And here you have to write in the field called question the text of the question. So the text may be, what is your name? Please be aware, here you can simply write your text, but you may also decide to copy and paste it from a word processor, such as Microsoft Word. Here, if you decide to copy your text, for example, let me use, you don't see here, but I have already a text in Word with the text is what is your name, and here I use copy to copy the text of the question. If I go here and I use paste, it apparently it works very well, but be aware, if I click on this button, source, here you see all the text and all the formatting characters that comes from Word. Here you can delete, if you want, all the, you can see this formatting codes, and so all will appear simple. If you go back on source, you will see that now it uses the default, okay? Be aware, if you decide to copy your text from Word, select first source and then in the source mode, click on copy, okay? It's better to use copy in source mode. This is very important as it avoids that you bring with you all the formatting codes from Word or from other word processor, okay? Second thing, you have to decide the question type. Here you can see that by default, this type, long free text, is selected. It was the question type that we have decided the first time, okay, in the first video. But you can also have short free text. Normally, probably you will use a short free text. It means, say something as 2 or 3 hundred characters, okay? Or most of the time you will have or a single choice question, and here you will select or list radio, so it's easy to understand how it is, or a list drop down, it's similar to list radio, okay? Or another question type may be multiple choice question. Here you can have multiple choice. It means that a respondent can select more than one answer option, or multiple choice with comments. Here you can have also a comment in addition to every single choice. Another important question type is in the mask question group. Here you have this that is numerical input. Here is when you have, for example, to ask for the age, for the income, or other things where the answer is a number. Finally, you have the array. Also, if this list is, I think, long, you will probably solve all your problems in an array type question using the first. I mean the array type. You use the array type question when you have a battery of questions where you have more sub-questions all with the same answer options. Now we can close this part of the tutorial and then we will see in a while for the next part of the tutorial.